Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Gada and welcome to my YouTube channel 7 days of the week. I have got some suggestions and opinions to make a video on stock market. So in this video, I will be particularly talking about stock market. See, whether you invest in stock market or not, it is your opinion, but it is my suggestion that you should have full knowledge on it. And therefore in this video, I will be particularly talking about stock market. Today's topics are what is a share, what is share market, how does it work, how do companies earn money, and how can investors like you and me earn huge money easily from it. If you don't believe, then you can check my Telegram channel, join my Telegram channel where I keep sharing trading ideas. In the screenshot, you can see that on investment of 10,000 rupees, we have earned a profit of 4,050 rupees. That too in very less time. Also, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe, as I want to create an institute of learning where anyone can learn easily and freely about stock market. Now to start off, whenever we talk about stock market, some people find it confusing, some think it is bad, some find it risky, some find it gambling too. But there are many people who have learned a lot about stock market and taken advantage from it and earn huge profits from it. There are many investors who say that best business in the world is stock market because it can be started with an investment of as low as rupees 500 and it requires very less time and the earnings from it can be very huge. Great investors like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and Warren Buffett have earned thousands of crores from share market. Therefore, people recommend to invest in share market. Now coming to the question, what is a share? Let us assume there is a company who wants to expand itself and for that purpose it does not have enough money. So company will think to raise funds through outer sources. One of the sources is taking loan, but that would be proved as riskier. Therefore, another method to raise money is through public funding. Company will take money from public and in return company will give some part of the company to the public. When company thinks to raise money through public funding, it brings an IPO, that is initial public offering. Now if you expend some money and take a part of company, then that part of company could be called as share and you would become shareholder of that company. Let us take an example. There is a company named XYZ who is in need of 1 lakh rupees. So it issues an IPO of 1000 shares of rupees 100 per share. And if you bought 10 shares of rupees 100, that is you invested rupees 1000 into that company, then you would become shareholder of that company. Now in some time the company XYZ starts growing, so the value of your rupees 100 share will increase to rupees 150 per share. Now if you think that you are in need of money and you want to sell those shares, then you can sell those shares. But you cannot sell those shares to the company again because company has invested that money somewhere else. You will have to sell those shares to another buyer who is ready to buy those shares at rupees 150. Now the place where you can sell those shares is called stock market or share market. The share market is a place where you can buy and sell shares of different companies. Now this year you think that technological advancement has taken place and you think that the companies who provide technological services will start growing and you want to buy shares of these companies. Then you need not wait for the company to bring IPO and then you will subscribe and then you will earn profit. No, nothing. You just have to go to stock market and buy shares of that companies. The two main stock exchanges in India are National Stock Exchange, that is NSE, and Bombay Stock Exchange, that is BSE. The index for this both are Nifty and Sensex, but we will talk about that part in next video or else this video will become longer. Now next question, how do stock markets work? As we had seen in the above example that you think technological sector will start growing, so you started buying shares of the companies, and other people who think that these companies will start growing, so they also start buying. So demand of that companies will grow and the price of that companies will also start growing and you will be in profit. Same thing happens in vegetable market. If demand for potatoes starts going up, then price also starts going up and vice versa. The universal rule of stock market is demand up, then price up, demand down, price down. Then we earn money or how to invest in stock. See, nowadays it has become easier. You just need a demat account. It will get linked to your savings account and to the NSE and BSE. Once you open demat account, you will have to select stocks, whether to invest in it. Now when you go for buying a property, then you see its location, landmark, area, neighbors, everything. So same thing is to be done in stock selection. You will have to see the type of company, its past performance, technically company is strong or not, and many more things. And that I will be sharing a series of video on technical analysis, how to select best stocks and earn huge profits from it. I have decided a lineup of videos through which you can earn easy profit and master share market. If you want to learn about those things for free, then do subscribe my channel and stay subscribed. Now, one more topic which I want to discuss with you all is methods of trading. There are mainly three methods of trading. First is intraday trading, that is buying and selling at the same day. The second is short-term trading, that is buying shares and holding them for some days, that is 1 week or 2 weeks or something. Third method is long-term trading, that is buying and holding shares for more than 6 months. Also, a golden rule for stock market which I have made is before trading, always calculate first risk and reward. Don't take trades where risk is more than reward. Otherwise, you will be in loss. And second point, once profit level is reached, you should start booking. You should not wait for more profits. So that's all for the day. The part 2 of this video will include what is Sensex and Nifty, how to monitor price of any stock, and many more interesting things. So stay subscribed to the channel, keep learning, keep earning. Thank you.